Hi friends, welcome to DIYs with Nosh. If you've got any empty cans lying in the recycling bin, just wash them, dry them, and watch how you can turn your trash into treasure. All you need are these chopsticks. Well, I've used chopsticks, but you can use maybe craft sticks or popsicle sticks will also do. There are no hard and fast rules with this DIY. Just take your sticks, see how far you'd like to raise them or lower them, and once you've decided, all you have to do is use some hot glue as well as E6000. Apply it midway and just stick it. I've started with actually I'm doing four of them. You can, if you want, use three sticks as well, but I prefer to keep four of them. So right now what I'm doing is applying the glue, and then I'll be using some hot glue and I'll stick that on. This is a very easy and a very quick craft. So once we glue the four sticks to the sides of the can, we'll wait for them to adhere firmly to the can, which could take roughly half an hour to an hour. And then we'll move to the next step. Once the sticks have adhered firmly, you can now paint the can and the sticks with either acrylic paint or chalk paint or spray paint. I have used spray paint. I wanted a subtle modern look. Hence, I've used a matte black color. I've given two coats though, and that's all there is to it. Wait for it to dry and add a bunch of flowers, and you're good to go. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.